Hey everybody, welcome to Cryptopia. So you know everybody's always saying win Lambo. Well, I'm going to say we need to say win Palace. I actually have one of our VIP or our inner circle members has a palace. I'm going to let you watch a clip of this right after our helicopter lands. It's landing right now here at our eco hotels in the jungles of Guatemala. So guys, you know, if you want to have life-changing money, if you want to succeed, you need to surround yourself with successful people. Join our VIP or inner circle group Patreons and you can have a life that you've only dreamed of, because trust me, it's possible. Crypto is the key to success and we're providing you the access to amazing opportunities. So guys, check out this video on Win Palace, not Win Lambo, but Win Palace. And you guys are going to be able to have an amazing opportunities. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these things. So, all right, well, my ride is here. I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Let me know what you think about the palace. All right, take care, guys.
Saying, guys, starting a new trend. Fuck Win Lambo. Now we got Win Palace. You get me? Let me give you a little tour. See to the gates. Ooh. The fountain.
Another banger. Baby, calm down, calm down. Yo, this your body, it puts in my heart for lockdown, for lockdown, for lockdown. Yo, you sweet life, phantom, phantom. If I tell you, say I love you, you know they for me, young girl. No, tell me no, 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 no.
I know a lot of you ask yourself, Win Lambo? Nah, ain't the thing. Not the thing. Win Palace.
I see this fine girl from my party, she wear yellow. Every other girl they do too much, but this girl mellow.
Win Palace.
I go use they tell I'm mellow. Finally I find way to talk to the girl, but she know I follow. When you gonna phone for one? When you know I go for one? Then I start to feel a bum bum one. But she did give me small small one. I know she's a bit.
Even when we're abroad.
Hey everybody, welcome to Crypto. So today's video is going to be on Pirates of Ireland and the sale of their rum. Now keep in mind that this is exclusive for their NFT pirate program.
Always up to date with John's violets. Alright. How the Elite, Cryptopia Elite are rolling. Cryptopia Elite. Don't play no games. Yeah, so don't ask yourself Win Lambo. Ask yourself Win Palace. Honestly, guys, seriously, create yourselves an Elite NFT. This is nothing. Make stupid gains on these alerts. Got my little protection piece. Yeah, man, that's how we're rolling. Win Palace, eh? Yep, that's how Cryptopia Elites are doing it. Just like this. There's also other things, guys, you can get involved in. VIP, Patreon. I know the cheapest subscriptions sold out now, so £20 a month I think it's gone up to. And you can get buy alerts, lots of good crypto chat, trading alerts, all the good stuff. So yeah, check that out. There's also a inner circle, VIP inner circle. basically gets you early access to the buy alerts and lots of other good stuff. Here's my bedroom anyway. We call master bedroom. Feed wardrobes and stuff. The bathroom. And this is my bedroom. But yeah guys, honestly, get yourselves a Cryptopia Elite NFT. And this kind of palace, yours, not a problem. What do you gotta do? Buy, chill, relax, get the alerts, buy the alerts, flip some money, rinse, repeat. Yeah man, like I said, when palace. Soon come, eh? Soon come.
Well, everybody, I truly hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you join our Patreon so you guys can have access to amazing opportunities.